guys, welcome to my channel The Protective Girl. Today's video is DIY home office slash study space setup on floor. So if you're someone who doesn't have a desk or study table, then you don't need to worry. You can study and be productive on floor itself. Let's make a cozy, comfy yet productive floor study space setup or floor home office setup. Let's begin. Step number 1 is to clean the area. First of all, choose an area where you want to turn into a floor study space or workspace. Do make sure that area is well ventilated. Step number 2, we are going to put some comfy things on the floor. Definitely we need a comfortable space so that we can work or study for longer duration. If you have a floor bed or floor mattress, you can keep that as well. You can put up a blanket like me. Step number 3, we are going to decorate the wall. It's good to have something that can keep us motivated or something that we like the most. It can be a very little thing as well, or just a paper in which you have written your favorite quote. It can be just anything. I'm going to stick some pictures like photo cards which contain some of my favorite pictures or quotes that I really like, and I find it so motivating to just look at it. Step number 4 is to set up storage unit to keep things that we need. Either we work or study, we definitely need some essentials like a notebook or pen and few other stationeries. If you have a shelf, you can convert that into like a storage unit. If you don't have, then you can have some basket, or you can even have a drawer organizer as well. So I have few planners and notebooks and a pen stand. So storage is done. These are the essentials. Now step number 5 is to decorate the floor. So if we decorate it, then it can be even more prettier and cozy to us. For that, I'm going to place some cushions, toys, and I really like the overall thing. Step number 6 is to keep laptop or books which needed for you. Since we're going to work from floor, we can't keep the laptop on floor and just work. It can cause a neck pain and a lot of other problems. So for that, laptop should face our eye level. So if you have any cardboard box or any plastic thingy, you can just keep it and you can maybe have a blanket over it and then keep a laptop on that so that it can match your eye level and you do not have any eye strain or neck pain or shoulder pain for that, so that it doesn't hinder your productivity for longer hours. Then I have a notebook and a pen and a water bottle, which is an absolute necessary. That's it. With that, our DIY home office slash study space setup on the floor is done. So you can do this setup anywhere you want.
And I know we got something good.
So I hope you like this video. If you like this, then give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I shall see you guys in my next video. Until then, be positive and spread positivity. Bye bye.
Follow your heart, baby, don't be shy.